Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making stir-fried green beans with pork, a fast 20-minute dinner that's packed with flavor. Some dinners feel like a chore. This one feels like a shortcut that still tastes like you tried. Stir-fried green beans with pork hits that sweet spot, crisp beans with a few blistered spots, tender pork, and a glossy sauce that clings instead of pooling. It's weeknight food with restaurant energy, and it's realistic to get on the table in about 20 minutes once you've chopped a few things. The dish is also flexible. Keep it mild and savory, or add heat. Use pantry sauces you already have. Serve it over rice, noodles, or whatever's in the fridge. The keys are simple: high heat, very dry beans, small pieces of pork, and sauce added right at the end. What you need for stir-fried green beans with pork, and easy swaps. You don't need a long shopping list, but each ingredient has a job. Here's what matters most, plus simple substitutes that work in a typical US kitchen. Green beans. Fresh, thin beans cook fast and stay snappy. Frozen can work if you thaw and dry them well. Pork. Shoulder, loin or tenderloin all stir-fry well when sliced thin. Garlic and ginger. These make the dish smell and taste right the second they hit the pan. Neutral, high-heat oil. Canola, avocado, peanut, or grapeseed. Olive oil isn't ideal for high heat. Soy sauce. Regular or low sodium. For gluten-free, use tamari. Oyster sauce. Adds deep savory flavor and shine. If you don't have it, use hoisin slightly sweeter or a mushroom oyster sauce for a vegetarian option. Rice vinegar. A small splash keeps the sauce from tasting flat. Apple cider vinegar works in a pinch. Sugar. Just a pinch to balance salt and vinegar. Honey works too. Cornstarch. Helps the pork stay tender and thickens the sauce fast. Optional heat. Chili flakes, sliced fresh chili, sambal, or chili crisp. A quick note on gear. A wok is great, but a large skillet works fine as long as it's hot and not crowded. Pick the right green beans and prep them so they stay crisp. Look for thin, firm green beans that snap when you bend them. Haricots verts, skinny French green beans, are excellent here because they blister quickly and stay crisp tender. Trim the stem ends. Wash them, then dry them like you mean it. Water on the beans turns stir-frying into steaming, and steaming is the fast track to soft, squeaky beans. If your beans are thick and you like them a bit more tender, you can blanch them for 60 to 90 seconds in boiling salted water, then drain and pat dry very well. It's optional, not required. Most of the time, simply cooking them a touch longer in the pan gets you there. Best pork cuts for quick stir-fry and how to slice them. For stir-fried green beans with pork, you want meat that cooks fast without turning tough. Pork tenderloin. Lean, very quick cooking, easy to slice. Pork loin. Also lean, just don't overcook it. Pork shoulder. More fat, more forgiving, very flavorful. Slice the pork thin and against the grain, then cut into small bite-sized strips. Smaller pieces brown faster and finish before the beans go soft. A simple marinade helps a lot. Toss the pork with soy sauce, a bit of cornstarch, and a small drizzle of oil. The cornstarch makes a light coating that holds in moisture, and it also helps the sauce cling later. Thanks for watching part 1. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll explore more tricks and variations to make it even better. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.